In this video, I'm going to show you a really simple way to set up OpenClaw locally on your computer. Quick heads up first, running OpenClaw directly on your machine can be risky because it can execute commands and access your files. So if something behaves unexpectedly, it could affect your system. That's why we're going to use Docker. So Docker can run OpenClaw inside a container, which is basically a lightweight isolated environment. And it keeps things separate from your main system, which makes it a lot safer than running it directly. It's not perfect security, running it on a separate server would be safer, but for testing and getting started, this is a really simple and practical approach. So first step is to go to docker.com, then download Docker for your system and install it. If you're on Mac or Windows, it should be very straightforward, and for Linux, there are instructions on this documentation here. Once that's done, head over to this GitHub repo called Outclaw. The link is going to be in the description. And this repo includes a simple setup wizard for OpenClaw. Just click on download the latest release and grab the version that matches your system. Okay, so now finally you can run Outclaw and click on Add Instance. Choose Standard Install, click Next, and wait until the build is complete. Build is now complete. Let's click on Continue and choose a provider and provide an API key. Now let's click on Connect Provider. Now the provider is connected, we can click on Continue and then set up a channel. For this video, I'm going with Telegram. So we have to send a message to BotFather, then run /newbot, and then paste the token here. So let's do it now. You can search for BotFather in Telegram and then click on BotFather, then send it /newbot. Now we have to choose a name. Now a username. And once you do that, BotFather will respond with a token. You can copy this token and paste it in Outclaw. Now we have to pair the bot. So we're going to send a message to the bot we just created on Telegram with start. The bot's going to respond with a pairing code, which you can copy and paste in Outclaw. And we now have a OpenClaw instance running locally in a Docker container isolated from the main system. I can click on Return to Dashboard and click on the instance here where I can configure it. If I go back, I can also stop it by clicking on this button. And now let's try talking to the OpenClaw instance. There we go, it's working as expected. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.